Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the backup location and account. If your backup is on iCloud or Google Drive, sign into the same account on the new phone and enable any two-factor codes you need. Once done, plug both phones into power and pick a transfer method: Wi-Fi transfer for convenience or USB cable for speed and reliability. Make sure storage on the new device exceeds the backup size. If not, free up space or expand before proceeding to the restore step. You now follow the device prompts to select the correct backup and start the transfer. For encrypted local backups, enter the backup password when asked. This unlocks passwords and health data. Once the transfer begins, allow time for photos and videos. They take longest. Make sure apps are reinstalled from the same app store. Sign back into accounts when requested so app data syncs. If moving between platforms, use platform tools like Move to iOS or Google's Data Transfer utility to preserve message threads and contacts. Finish by verifying core data. Open contacts, inspect recent photos, and spot check messages and app settings so you know what's missing. Once content appears, update all apps and reauthorize services like banking, email, and streaming. If some items didn't transfer, try a selective restore of that app or redo the full restore after freeing storage. One key tip: if the transfer stalls, reboot both phones, sign out and back into the account, and retry with a wired connection to avoid Wi-Fi interruptions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.